Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to you in science class. Today we are going to discuss simple circuits. Page number 28.
السلام عليكم
Hello,
يا
Mr.
أستاذ
Khalid.
محمد قريتو.
Hello.
أنا اسمي أحمد.
Hello, Ahmed. How are you? Open your books,
كيفك يا
page
أستاذ؟
28.
كيفك يا أستاذ؟
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. How are you?
فاين.
Great.
أخذنا شيء جديد. هلا
Okay, on page number 28, here you can see different batteries. So as you know, we are discussing simple circuits. Simple circuits. Find out what things make simple circuits. Okay. Who will tell me components of simple circuit? Simple electric circuit. How many components are there? Kam ajza.
4.
4. Very nice. Can you tell me the names?
إيهاب.
Okay, Ehab, thank you. Okay, anybody tell the names of students?
أستاذنا جميل عسيري.
Hello, Jamil.
أستاذنا إيهاب قلت لك واجه.
Yes, you said 4. What are the parts? Name.
باتري.
Battery, okay, very nice.
بايت. باتري.
Wire, okay.
bulb, wire.
Yeah, Salam, yeah, Tamim, yeah, Ehab, thank you. Battery, bulb, wires, and switch, we talked about this before. Okay. So which things make, we will write here, battery, bulb, wires, and switch. This you will write here. اكتبوا هنا. Okay, battery, bulb, wires, and switch. Then we have electricity can be used in games. Games yani لعبة. If you want to play game on computer, but electricity يعني كهرباء هذا خربان. انت العب يقدر العب ولا ما في؟ Can you play or no?
Yes.
If there is no light, ما في electricity, ما في كهرباء. Can you play?
No. No.
No, you can't play. So it's mean we need electricity to play different games, right? Okay. So what are the games you play on? Make a list the games you have that need electricity to work. Okay, tell me some names. You know Xbox? Xbox is a game. Okay, then
PlayStation.
PlayStation. Okay,
Laptop. Mobile.
PlayStation. Okay,
iPhone. Mobile.
mobile games. Yes,
TV. TV. Electric.
mobile games. Okay,
Electricity.
okay, it's enough, I think. because we have less space. So we have a lot of games like Sony. You have Sony, right? That is also played by using electricity. So we have many games. Also, we have some toys. Toys حق بزورة صغير يعني they play with toys, different toys. They are also using electricity by battery. This battery also provides power. Okay, yani electricity yani kahraba. Okay. On next page, this is an activity we will do when you will come back to school, inshallah. On page number 29, we have a question. Look at the word list, circle words you have learned. Did you learn battery? Battery, you have learned or not? انت عارف battery ولا لا؟
Yes.
Yes, so
Yes.
make a circle
Yes.
around it.
Yes.
Do you know motor?
Yes. 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 Yes.
You don't know about motor, you don't know about ammeter, so cross them. What we know, what we discussed is bulb, buzzer, and wire. We discussed them all. So make a circle around 4 words: battery,
السلام
bulb,
عليكم أنا جد محمد الشمالي.
buzzer, and wire. Hello, Yazid. Wa alaikum salam. So 4 words we have discussed: battery, bulb, buzzer, and wire. But motor and ammeter, we did not discuss it. Okay. Why are batteries useful? Why do they sometimes let us down? Okay. من علمني ايش الفائدة حق البطارية؟ What is the benefit? ايش
تحرك الألعاب.
يا سلام. اوكي.
شحن.
اوكي. بعدين ايش خسارة حق البطارية؟
الشحن.
Yes. Yes, very nice. Thank you. So I will translate this in English. Now, number 1, as you said, they make devices
السلام
portable.
عليكم ورحمة الله وبركاته يا أستاذ.
Alaikum assalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. They make devices portable. Number 2, they lose charge. Yani shahan khalas. This is the bad thing in batteries. Good thing is they make devices portable. يعني انت ودي مثلا جوال او لابتوب اي مكان شغل ما في مشكله، لو ما في كهرباء انت شغل مع بطاريه ما في مشكله. But they lose charge يعني شحن يجي تحت هذا مشكله. So we wrote both answers. Question number 3. Why are there lots of different kinds of battery? يعني ليش في بطاريه يعني صغير او كبير او وسط كده يعني why they have different sizes ليش المقاس مغير sorry
what's the meaning
different يعني يختلف يعني هذا واحد هذا كبير واحد صغير واحد كده واحد كده like that this is different فهمت يا حبيبي
يا أستاذ أنواع البطارية يا أستاذ
yes حبيبي yes
ممكن تعيد هذا التمرين بس لأنه طفى النت عنده.
اوكي ما في مشكلة انا بس كمل هذا بعدين انا اعيد مرة ثانية اوكي no problem so they provide different amount of energy مثلا في السيارة أنت يبغى زيادة أنت حطوا إيش بطارية كبير، وفي الجوال أنت يبغى شوية أنت حطوا بطارية صغير. like that. Okay, they provide different amount of energy. Okay, مثلا if you use this battery يعني هذا بطارية مثلا في السيارة هذا شغل ها. who will answer for this؟ نور.
Yes.
هذا بطارية كفي للسيارة for the car
No,
كويس.
no.
ليش؟ عشان
هذا
سيارة
السيارة.
عشان سيارة يبغى شحن
Yes,
زيادة
yes.
صح؟
No.
Yes, no. Car needs a lot of power, so this is not enough for the car. Okay. Can we put this battery in our watch? Yani الساعة. Can you use this?
No,
No,
No.
because it's bigger. So for some tasks, this battery is small or smaller, and for some tasks, this battery is bigger or big. So we can say different batteries are used because they provide different amount of energy, yani electricity.
no.
Okay. Name two materials that would make good wires. Wires yani silk. They make silk with copper. And number two, you can write aluminium. Aluminium. These are two materials used in wires. Copper and aluminium. Okay, write it quickly. Okay, Muhammad Abdul Halim, I am going to repeat now. Here we discussed about the words we have learned in this lesson. We learned it. Look at the word list, circle the words you have learned. So we have learned battery, bulb, buzzer, and wire. But we did not discuss motor and ammeter till now. Okay, so we can cross them. Motor and ammeter crossed. Question number 2. Why are batteries useful? يعني ايش فايدة؟ They make devices portable. يعني انت ودي موبايل او لابتوب اي مكان ما في مشكلة. This is the benefit. يعني هذا فايدة. لكن ايش خسارة؟ Why do they sometimes let us down? يعني ايش خسارة؟ Because they lose charge. اوكي مثلا انت يجي طريق في الجدة انت في السيارة موجود ممكن شحن خلاص حق الجوال ايش تسوي؟ There is no charger in your car, so what can you do?
أشبكه بالسيارة.
Sorry?
أشبكه بالسيارة.
I told you there is no charger in your car, so mobile will be
يشحن.
shut. Yes.
يشحن.
You have to charge it. But if you don't have charger and you are on the way, يعني انت في الطريق ايش تسوي؟ ما في شيء. لازم يجي بيت, you will come home and then you can charge. So this is the disadvantage of this battery system. Okay, understand? They let us down when they lose charge. Question number 3. Why are there lots of different kinds of batteries? يعني ليش هذا مختلف من واحد والثاني هذا كبير هذا صغير ليش؟ Because they provide different amount of energy. Because they provide different amount of energy. فهمت? Understand?
Yes.
Any questions, boys, about this?
No.
Thank you.
Okay, quickly please finish this quickly. من باقي وما خلصت. من باقي.
أستاذ أنا ما خلصت. أستاذ أنا ما خلصت.
طيب أقدر.
أستاذ
أوكي
أنا
أوكي
ما
أوكي.
خلصت، أنا كنت في الحمام.
أوكي سلطان بسرعة يا حبيبي quickly.
Finish.
Okay Noor, I didn't ask for finished boys. If you have finished, okay, leave it. I will send this in your groups as well, okay? Don't worry. So now we will do, just 1 second, let me just open it and then
Finish. أستاذ أنا ما خلصت. أستاذ أنا خلصت.
okay, I will send in the group, okay? أنا أرسل في الجروب ما في مشكلة.
أنا مش خلصت.
Okay, Michelle, now open your WhatsApp. I am going to send the link for...
أنا بعد خلصت يا أستاذ.
Okay,
أستاذ
brother.
أنا أمير خلصت. جميل ما خلصت.
Okay, open your WhatsApp. أنا أرسل لعبة ها. I am going to send the quiz. Grade 2. Okay, join this link. أنا أرسلت في الجروب. Okay. يلا. I have sent the link. Okay, Anwar Muhammad Khalf is there. Khaloof, Anwar Muhammad Khaloof. Then we have Tamim Abdul Al-Baloy, yes. Abdul Alim is there, Badr is there, Amir is there.
أنت
Jamil is there. Sorry, ايش الكلام؟
أنت يا أستاذ.
ايوه انا ارسلت في الجروب. Sultan Ayman is there, Ahmed Kamal is there, Tamim is there, okay. Okay, let's start. Okay, boys, start the game. Start the quiz. This is about electric circuit. Okay. Includes wires, a battery, and device that use an energy. However, it does not work. يعني هذا ما في شغل. That is incomplete circuit. Next. This one is series circuit because there is series of bulbs. Series circuit means a material that allows electricity to go through only one pathway of the electricity to flow, more than one path. This is the right. Only one path of the electricity to flow. There are different bulbs, but one path. An electrical force which occurs as electrons are built up in an object. An electrical force that is static electricity. A battery or other device which provides energy for a circuit, which provides energy for a circuit, a battery, that is power source, because battery, they store power, they give different amount of power. The amount of devices which are in a circuit, the amount of devices which are in a circuit, that is load. Those things are called load. Badr Ibrahim is number 1, Sultan is number 2. What is a power source? This is a question. A power source is a battery or other device which provides energy. That is power source, as we discussed before. The flow of energy, electricity through a conductor, that is called current. That is current, yani kahrba. Sultan Ayman number 2. An electrical force that occurs, and okay, we did this before. Oh, I selected the right one. Okay. Anwar Muhammad Khaloof is now number 2. What is an insulator? As I told you, conductor conducts the electricity, yani kahrba tawsil min conductor, but insulator cannot, like wood, plastic, like that. So what is an insulator? The area of a conductor through which current is able to move. Okay. A material which does not allow electricity to go through, that is called insulator. Anwar Khaloof is number 1. So what is this circuit called? Insulator, closed circuit, power source, or open circuit. Here you can see this is closed circuit. Sultan Ayman is number 2. Anwar Khaloof is number 1. What is a conductor? As I told you, conductor conducts electricity. Conducts electricity, a material that allows electricity to go through it. Okay. Then we have, when are several paths for, okay, who is sending message? Yes, I know, Amir. When there are several paths, that's why I am explaining with you, okay? When there are several paths for the current to flow, that is called parallel circuit. Okay, switch. What do you mean by switch? A part of a circuit which can control whether electricity flows.
هذه أصلا مرة صعبة.
The part of a circuit which can control, this is for you for reading quickly, for him to improve reading and to improve your reading skills. Okay, don't worry, गलत वला صح ما في مشكلة, ما في درجات. Okay, लेकिन اقرأ بسرعة. Okay, you should read quickly. These are scientific words, you should read quickly. Includes wires, a battery, and a device that uses energy. It works. That is called complete circuit. Anwar is number 1, Tamim is number 2 now. Okay, here you can see a battery, two bulbs and connector. So this is parallel circuit because both bulbs are parallel to each other. A small device that stores energy in a chemical form, that is battery. Okay, this one we did this before. ما في مشكلة لو غلط ما في مشكلة. No problem. Just read quickly and understand, try to understand the questions, okay? Okay, Tamim Al-Subaiti is there now. Okay, so we have Anwar Khaloo, who is the winner for today. Okay, if the Zoom, open Zoom now. So as we discussed today, simple circuits, we have uses of batteries and
يا أستاذ أستاذ
أيوة تفضل.
الأسئلة كتير صعبة ما عم نفهم شيء.
طيب اوكي ما في مشكلة.
ما
مرة
أدري
ثانية انت فاهم. Okay, patient ourselves because you will, it was practice for you. It was hard, I know it was hard, but it was practice to read. Okay, you will read quickly, so it is good for you. طيب
معليش يا أستاذ لو سمحت.
ايوه ايوه
يعني طويلة ويعني صعبة على مستوى طالب في الصف الثاني الابتدائي إنه يقرأ بهذه السرعة وفي نفس الوقت يترجم ويبدأ يختار. يعني كان شوية مستوى غير المعتاد.
عشان انا اعطيه صورة بس، هذا مرة سهل. انا يبغى يعني اقرا بسرعة، ما في، انا ما يبغى جواب صح، بس يبغى اقرا السرعة اليوم يعني فقط بس. مرة ثانية أنا أسوي اختبار وهو موجود صورة وسؤال، ما في مشكلة في جوجل درايف. طيب إن شاء الله هو سهل.
أيوه خلاص إن شاء الله. وكمان يعني
أيوه.
ترجمة لأنه يعني لسه طفل ثاني ابتدائي فيعني شوية عليه
طيب لا
المصطلحات.
هذا مو في من كتاب، أنا أسوي ترتيب من كتاب وهو كله عارف.
طيب شكرا.
طيب عشان في الجوجل درايف ما في يجي وقت، هنا في مثلا نص ثواني أو 15 ثواني زي كده، يعني هو خلاص سرعة عشان طلاب اقرأ سرعة. reading skill.
وأنا كمان يا أستاذ أنا صعبة علي الكلمات.
طيب اوكي ما في، انا عارف يا حبيبي، انا كلام ما في درجات اليوم. اوكي بس reading. اوكي معلش ما في مشكلة. اوكي so you finish your book page 28 and 29 خلصت؟ page 28 and 29 finished?
Yes, finish.
Okay. But I will tell you just one thing for next lesson inshallah. Here you can see this switch has a switch open. Open switch yani off. Open switch yani off. Yani noor ma fi shagal. Ashan the switch is off. Okay. Then here you can see if the switch is like this on the page 31, closed switch, it's mean switch is on and light will work yani noor shagal. اوكي اوبن سويتش زي كده يعني مفتوح ما في شغل عشان this is not complete, this circuit is not complete. But here you can see closed switch, so if you close this switch from here to here, it will become on, so electricity will flow from it. Understand? Any questions for today?
Thank you.
You are welcome. You play every time easy game, so I give you today hard game. Okay, no problem. Next time it will be easier. Goodbye. Thank you.
Goodbye. 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 Goodbye, teacher.